Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Indian Yoga Krishna. I'm your guru Krishna. So guys, as you know, you are learning a new yoga pose every day. I'm teaching you new very useful yoga pose, useful pranayams and everything. So guys, today we also going to the same thing. We are learning a new yoga pose that's especially for your stomach area. If you have extra fat from the here and the side, and if you have very weak immunity power, if you have very weak digestive system, if you're having acidity or obesity problems, that's very good for you. So if you're looking for the lose weight lose thing, then it's very good for you. If you do this one at least 5 minutes every day for 3 sets, 5 minutes or 10 minutes every day in 1 month, I'll give you a surety that you will get rid of all kind of the fat, especially from the your stomach area. So if you're looking for that, then please don't go anywhere, don't skip any part, watch till the end. And in end, if you like this video, you find it useful, then please subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get more video updates. Now what we are learning today, so guys, today we are learning that's called Pad Sanchalan Kriya, or in English you will say cycling yoga pose. So now maybe you heard it, or I don't know about that, but don't skip, and I'll tell you with the breathing, with proper breathing technique, because sometimes if you do it without breathing technique, that's not that much of helpful. But here we are doing with proper breathing technique, so just learn it, and then you can do it with yourself, with yoga mat, or anywhere, any garden or home. Even you don't need any kind of particular place, you can do at home. You just need some one yoga mat. So let's learn the one thing how we do it, and then we talk about the else, the so many other benefits. But first let's learn this one. So for this one, you just have to have this yoga mat and lay down on stomach. And what do? Put your hands under your head. So it's your hands give you good support to your back, because we don't want to hurt your back. So first here, and then how we do it? Do it with one single leg, because we are doing different variations, so you don't feel bored, and you will feel more of interesting. You find interesting, and you are find it urge to doing it. So first do it with right leg. So how we do it with breathing? So first, while you're taking your legs near your chest, you are breathing out. So first, like I'm just lift my leg. So I first breathe in here. No, first breathe in, and while breathe out, as I mentioned, as you're taking your legs near your chest area, breathe out. And when you're going away, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in. So keep in mind, whenever you're taking your knee towards your chest, breathe out, and when it's going out, breathe in, because we don't want to put so much pressure on stomach while we doing it. So it's very good, because when you already there's a breathe in and you holding this one, then we are kind of giving unwanted pressure to our lungs or our heart, and that we don't want to do it. So do it with proper breathing. So this one, like this one is one time, do it at least 30 seconds, and then do it anti-clockwise. How we do it anti-clockwise? The same. First we breathe in and breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in. So do it 30 seconds clockwise, 30 seconds anti-clockwise. Now with left leg. First breathe in and breathe out, breathe in, out, in, out. Now anti-clockwise. So first here breathe in and breathe out, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in. So now we did right leg and left leg with 30 seconds clockwise, 30 seconds anti-clockwise. The same with 30 clockwise, 30 anti-clockwise. So it's one and one. We already did 2 minutes. Now we do with the both legs, but the different legs, not with both legs together. It's like this one, this one. Here you can breathe normal. Here you breathe normal. Do it at least 1 minute like this one, and 1 minute with anti-clockwise. And do it with full circle. Don't do like this one. No, this is wrong. Do it with proper circle. Okay, and after doing 1 minute with anti-clockwise, 1 minute with clockwise, anti-clockwise, so 2 minutes with this one. So 1 and 2. You already did 4 minutes. Now we do with both legs together, 30 seconds. So it's like this one. First here, breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. In, out, in, out. And now anti-clockwise. In, out, in, out. So 30 seconds clockwise, 30 seconds anti-clockwise. So 1 minute this one. And after that, relax. So guys, we did 5 minutes of this cycling. And after doing 5 minutes cycling, for this cycling yoga pose, you will so exhaust. And you feel so much, kind of you already did, remove your extra fat from stomach. You feel that. You didn't remove so much, but you feel that. And after 30 days or maybe 25 days, you will see, almost gone. And then you kind of happy, or you will feel more, blessed that you took that decision to start this exercise. So we are doing, I just told you how many times we should do it and how we do it with proper breathing. Now the other benefits. So first, as I mentioned, it's remove extra fat from this stomach area, and it's very good for all over body blood circulation. So it's give you good skin quality. So you always feel young. Your skin will be wrinkle free. You remove your black spots, pimples from your face. You remove your puffy eyes. Very good for eyesight also. It's a very putting so much pressure on stomach, so it's to improve your digestion systems. Very good for improve your immunity power and give you good strength in your stomach, abdomen muscles. And very good for toning your legs. It's not just about the your stomach or you getting abs. It's very good for toning of your thighs also. When you're doing it, it's remove extra fat from thighs. And if you have not good quality of the muscles, then it's improve your quality of your thighs muscles also, and opens the hips joint. Also very good for constipation. Also very good for knee issue. If you have a knee issue, you must do it. Again, the next one is to give you good strength into your heart and your lungs. Very good for overall your respiratory system. So there is so many benefits while doing it. Not just about the this looking for the fat remove or looking for the abs. Not about this one. If you are looking particular one reason, that still is okay, but you are getting all the benefits extra. So now you will get all these benefits. Now the last thing, as I request you when we started this video, that if you like that video till the end, then go and subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon. So if you like this video now, then please do that, subscribe and hit the bell icon. And one more thing, if you don't like video, then please mention in comment section what you don't like in this video and what you want to improve in this particular video. So I'll be do improvement in next time. If you find this useful, then share this video. And if you have any issue regarding your health, then please mention in comment section. I'll try to make a video on that too. So that's all about today. Tomorrow also we're going to learn something new, something useful yoga just like this one. So till then, bye bye. Thank you.